How did Peter the Great's reforms and actions lead to the westernization of Russia? Peter the Great was a ruler of Russia from 1689 to 1725. He belonged to the Romanov dynasty, which was in power since 1613 and continued to be for the next 300 years. Peter the Great governed Russia during the age of exploration and absolutism and is considered to be one of the most influential and significant absolute monarchs of the time period. His greatest achievements included enabling Russia to expand onto warm water ports and westernizing Russia, shifting the balances of influence towards Europe. During the 15 and 1700s, Russia was vulnerable against expanding European countries with a small and rebellious army and a greedy nobility that refused to side with the previous ruler. Peter the Great came into power, and by the time he died, he had completed many reforms that managed to reinstate peace amongst the royals and the boyars, restore economical prosperity, and guarantee powerful and trustworthy allies, all of those due to and possible because of the westernization of Russia. Peter the Great made many beneficial reforms and changes that slowly led to Russia's political and cultural influence shifting towards the west. Firstly, in 1697, Peter visited Western Europe under disguise and a fake name. During his tour, he visited famous monarchs like Louis XVI of France, whose ruling style differed from that in Russia. He visited prospering industries and shipyards, noting down differences between the vessels, and slowly developing his future perseverance in creating a strong and powerful navy. He also tried to absorb as much of the European lifestyle and details on the social class breakdown and the role in society as he could. This grand expedition set the foundations for the westernization of Russia. Peter the Great's most major reforms concerning Russia's westernization occurred upon his return from Europe. After a long war with Sweden, he managed to acquire a warm water port on the Baltic Sea, on which he built his window to the west, St. Petersburg. With St. Petersburg as the first Russian western city, Peter the Great engaged in a series of European influence changes. He established French as a main language in court and in politics. He forced all nobles to shave off their long beards and abandon their long robes to restored European-style code. Women's role became greater in community life, and politically inspired by Louis XVI, he adopted the absolutism style of ruling. Even the church fell under his control. He self-appointed a small senate that would advise him over which he would have absolute control. The boyar's power status now only depended on the amount of royal service performed, not on family name, similar to Louis XIV's service nobility system, which depended on royal favors. Also, during the age of exploration, the European countries were involved in year-round trading and a constant struggle for the best, most useful warm water ports. Meanwhile, Russia had none. Vulnerable and militarily weak, Peter the Great decided to expand Russia onto a warm water port. After a long war with Sweden, he managed to earn a port in the Baltic Sea, on which he built his window to the west, St. Petersburg. In that way, Russia's trade and commerce started to appear similar to the European one. The countries were all earning money in the same way, and their economies were growing, along with their fleets and armies. Followed by Europe siding with Russia against the Ottoman Empire due to their common religions, Russia was officially an ally and was considered a European influenced country. Peter the Great, one of the greatest absolute monarchs that ever lived, saved Russia from dissolution, reformed the country's politics and economy, expanded its borders, shifted its influence scale towards Western Europe, and overall made changes and reforms that led to Russia's westernization.
Created using Powtoon.